Hello everyone. Recently, National Education Policy 2020 has completed its 5 years. It has brought curriculum changes like changing the educational structure from 10 plus 2 to 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 structure. It has enhanced the competency based learning. It also improved the foundational skills through different programs like Nipun Bharat, which focused on the foundational literacy and numeracy, and also others like Vidya Pravesh, which have reached to 4.2 crore students. It also enhanced the inclusivity. For example, 7.58 lakh girls have been enrolled in the residential schools, and an app called Prashast has supported the screening of disability, through which many physically challenged kids have joined the schools. Now, 4 lakh plus teachers have been trained under Nishta. 72% of the schools have internet now. This could be possible due to different schemes like Vidyanjali, Diksha, which is an infrastructure for sharing knowledge through common digital resources, and also schemes like PM Vidya. There are certain challenges like the center state policy divide. Education being in concurrent list also requires the implementation approval of the states. Kerala and West Bengal have refused to sign the Memorandum of Understanding to implement PM Shri schools. It also has the problem with three language formula which some states are opposing. Now, the targets include 50% higher education gross enrollment ratio by 2035, and also the other target is to increase the public investment on education to 6%. Hopefully, these targets are met and the Indian education system and the sector would have good progress. Thank you.